Hi there, my name is Richard Shiley and I'd like to introduce you to my app, Jacoto. Basically, I was frustrated that there were so many online courses out there that seemed to be spread out amongst so many different websites that it was difficult for me to keep track of everything that I was doing. So I wanted a single website that consolidated all online courses, or as many as possible, and a website that allowed me to keep track of those courses as well. That led me to come up with Jacoto. Jacoto features over 20,000 online courses, and if you're a user that's logged in, you can track your courses, which we'll see momentarily. First, here on the web page, we can see our featured courses. Each one of these courses, of course, has multiple items associated with it. You can see this one's Udacity, Future Learn Again, MIT. And these featured courses are randomly selected. Oftentimes they'll be selected based on popularity. Now if we scroll down, again we'll see some more courses, course listing. Currently, for development purposes, out of the thousands of courses on the back end, we're just pulling forward to the front end 15 for the sake of smooth operating. Any of these courses, of course, can be clicked on. So we can go over here, click on Introduction to Drama, and we'll see the course itself with a link to the course's homepage. In the lower left-hand corner, you can see the link down there. Go back home. Up here, the menu is, you're able to browse or see what the name Jacoto actually means. First we'll go to Browse. Now, even though 15 courses are being sent to the front end, the Browse allows you to search all courses in the database. So, do JavaScript. There you go. You get courses with or JavaScript in the title. Or we can try Shakespeare. Two courses, Shakespeare and Writing with Shakespeare. Next we'll log in, and I just have a test account available. And if you pay attention to the upper right hand corner, you'll see once logged in, buttons change. Now, if you go back home, look at some more courses, this is kind of where the functionality really starts to take effect. Any one of these courses, you'll see in the lower left-hand corner this heart. You go to my profile, picture coming soon, of course, you'll see down here your courses. Now, going back home, any course that you want to keep track of, learn more about, maybe revisit in the future, you can add. And there it is, email marketing. Just as easily, you can take it away so that you can best keep track of your courses. So this is the basic functionality of Jacoto. Right now, the APIs for Coursera, edX, all the main providers are hard to access. You need to pay. So I wrote a Python algorithm to scrape the courses. And in the process got about 20,000, which I think is good for a couple of days worth of work. There's definitely more courses to come, and I look forward to building the site and finishing up the recommendation engine for each user. Thank you for your time today. I hope you enjoyed Jacoto.